What is up, YouTube? It is Joshua Samuelson. Today, it is tournament day. It is the second tournament of 2019 for me. Heading up to Damariscotta Lake, so I'm super excited. I got the boat in the back. I'm fishing with Bob today. Super excited. So, who knows? Hopefully, we're gonna catch some fish. The last tournament I did not air because I caught nothing. It was a very depressing day. I came in the 11th place with 0 fish. So, we'll see what happens, and we'll catch some fish. Time for blast off, guys. We gonna do well, Bob?
We're gonna do well.
Good. That's all we needed to. That's all we need. We're gonna do great. So we're trying to work up a game plan right now. I have not been in this body of water myself for quite some time. Bob's been here once, so between us we have 1 trip. So we'll see what happens. We got a full field of 28 people today, so it's gonna be a good tournament. We'll see what happens, guys. Hopefully, we'll have some good fish. Guys, I didn't even have my camera on. I literally, my like 3rd cast. I just caught a small one. He ain't big, but hey, it's a bass, and I will take it. I will take it. Let's go, guys. Already. Where's the measurement? Right here. He ain't gonna keep. I don't want to keep her, but still a fish. Bye, little guy. Whoop. Guys, let's go. Yes. Woo. There we go. That's a 2-pounder. Here we go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That's a good one. Yes. Let's go. Oh, unless there's a ton of weeds on it. He's out of the grass. Oh. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Yes. Let's go. 2, 2.5, 3. Whew, guys. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Got him. Yep, that's a good one. It's a decent one. Nope, stay down. About the same size. Oh, not bad. Not a bad one. No, but not bad. I'll take him. Well, I'll take a limit of 2-pounders right now. Here we go, guys. Another one right there. Let's go. Bob's on. Oh, you got him. Yeah. That's a good one. Oh, wow. Nice.
Swallowed it, didn't it?
Yeah. Solid bass, though.
Yep. Thank you.
Of course. Alright, guys, so we're sitting in our first spot. I caught 3, Bob caught 1 that were keepers. I caught a couple other ones that weren't keepers, but heading out now, hopefully we'll catch some more fish, but feeling pretty confident. Maybe for the first, hour and a half. Not a bad start, but you know, we're gonna keep going and hopefully catch more fish, so let's go. That's the way we do this. Net. Oh, come on. Thank you, buddy. Come on. Yes. Okay. That's a 2-pounder. But hey, 1.5. Oh, his jaw is done broke. Not the prettiest bass in the world, but a bass. Make sure he measures to keep. I'm pretty sure he will. Yeah, 14. That's 4. That's 4. Yes. Pulling pretty decent. Although you can never tell with all the weeds. Ooh. Has some decent head. I'm gonna keep the pressure on him. Yep, I do. Oh, he's out. He'll definitely keep. I know that much. Well, I just need 5 right now. He's lunkered down. I have 4.
I thought you had 5.
I got 4.
I thought you already had 4.
He's pinned. Yep, there he is, guys. Out. Oh, he's not very big. That's my 5th. Right there. All right, guys. Number 5, I think. Woo! Was almost a catch and release. So, see if he'll make the cut. Easy. 13er. Definitely my smallest. All right, there's my 5. We got a limit, guys. We got a limit. All right, guys, so I just caught my 4th and 5th fish. So I have a limit of 5 right now. Bob's got 1 still. So hopefully we're gonna catch some more fish. We're gonna head up to the north part of Damariscotta, see if we can catch some fish. But we still have time, right, Bob? We got like 6 hours.
I have no idea what time it is.
It's like 10 o'clock. It's like 6 hours, yeah. 10 o'clock? All right, we got 6 hours left. Let's make it happen. I got a bass. No, out in the net, out in the net, out in the net. That might be a little bit bigger than the last one. Alright guys, so nothing's gotta go. He has a hook in him, so I'm gonna let him go with hooking it. He'll cough it out in the end. But if I take it out, he's definitely he'll definitely die. So have to. That's the smart thing to do right there. Alright guys, so I just caught a 3.5 pounder. So I'm psyched. I cannot. I am super excited. I'm so blessed. So I actually had a bunch of culling. My GoPro died, so I couldn't get the shot, but hit the get the fish catch. But hey, let's go. We're gonna catch some more fish. Let's go. Oh my God! Oh, that's a good one. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's a good one. Net.
What did you do today? Played net, boy.
No. Good one. Let's go.
Swallowed it.
Almost. No, I got it. Oh, wow. Just barely. He was barely hooked, too. All right, guys. So I'm culling right there. Call a little 2-pounder for a bigger one. All right. That's good. That's good. Fish. That's a decent one.
Stay up on top.
Better than nothing. That'll keep.
Maybe. Yeah.
A fish is a fish right now. Okay guys, so I know you didn't just see that, but I literally just caught a 4-pounder and I had my electric on because I thought, oh, let's make a cast to the side while we're getting ready to leave, and all of a sudden on the Ned rig, bang, pulls up a 4-pounder. So we're killing it, guys. We're killing it. Cannot wait. On the little Ned rig, guys. That's what my last video that I did fishing, my last tournament video. And right there, it's the trick. All right, guys. So we're off the water now. The boats line up, and it's about time for Wayne. So the wind is crazy. Oh my God.
Yep. Now grab him by the mouth. There you go. Yep.
It's not a bad one. Whoa. They look smaller when they come out like this.
Yes, they are.
I think that's my big one. It's not big. Yeah, she can come back so early. It's not a bad bag.
I don't think it's.
I smile.
Sorry.
Okay. You got a big one? Right. Well, I think
This one
belly
probably?
for belly. I think that one weighs more. 309.
309. Close.
Just missed it.
Put it on.
Come on.
All right. Roll the weight there. Yep. Still live.
Open your mouth.
More than 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Nice
Ooh.
job. 12-11. I get 80 bucks.
Woo! That 311 was worth 80 bucks.
Second place with the weight of 12.11, Josh Samuelson.
$129.
Thanks, man.
$129.
He's buying lunch.
And then first place, where is he?
I'll bring it to
He's
him.
in the boat.
I'll bring it to him.
First place, Scott Barker
Scott Barker.
with 1533.
Alright guys, I am finally back home. I burned really well today. I fried, but so some of the catches were not caught on GoPro because my GoPro, I turned on time lapse somehow, and I just realized that when I was looking in the car. So I don't know what happened there, but I apologize. I hope y'all enjoyed the catches that did get on video. Guys, I had an awesome time. Second place is awesome. I was super excited. I had 28 people, so hey, made some money and had a great time and showed that I was a competitor. So thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions about the baits I was using, how I was fishing them, please drop them in the comments below. I try to answer as many comments as I can. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna get some more content very soon.